first of all, I made a 24 seed phrase wallet on the Mew website for Ethereum. And you got to make sure you got a clean computer. And if there's a way to do it without the internet, do it. There's multiple ways to do it. At the time, I was just frustrated. I had a new computer, new operating system, and it was like the first thing I did as soon as I got on that computer. So I just did it the easy way and figured it's secure enough due to the whole, resetting the operating system and everything that I did. So what I got now going on, you can't see it, but I have my iPhone and I downloaded the Mew wallet app and I went in and I took my seed phrase that I had made on the computer. I made this like a year ago. And I came in here and I put in those 24 words and up popped my wallet. So it has everything in there. The app is storing my private key for me. It's hidden, but when you go up and you click on, the wallet, you can see your public address. So that's what I'm typing in now is my public address that's on this app here. Now I'm pretty sure that Ethereum is not really case sensitive. I'm just gonna put it in the upper cases and everything in the lower cases. 06F7. Okay, and now that redness went away. It's like, okay, this is long enough. And I gotta clean up this computer. I don't like every time I click on something, it wants to tell me what to do. I really don't like that. I don't like my password saved in anything. I don't like you saving my information. I want you to save my address. I want you to save my phone number. I want anything in there. I want to go in and put it in fresh every time because I don't need anything on my computer that hackers can get to. So anyway, now that I'm done with that rant, we are back to the Bitcoin. So I'm going to put a Bitcoin one in here. And I just generated this wallet on, I think it was walletgenerator.net. And I had never used that website before. I don't know how secure it is. That's just, one of the reasons why you don't keep a whole lot of funds in any of your wallets that are like a hot wallet. They don't have Doge up here, but they do have it available. So I'm just going to go down here and put in my Doge. And let's see. Let's see if I change it to an I, if it likes it. I gotta be missing a letter or something. Yog, Q, R, 2R, 8D. Dogecoin key for some reason. Maybe there's a different Doge type, so let me look here. Because we have like Doge M, Dogeo. I don't think that's what's going on, but if this is wrong, I'm going to be kind of like probably maybe not use that Bitcoin address either, because I got them from the same website, that walletgenerator.net. I can't view this wallet on a single app that I know of except maybe Coinbase. Let me ask, how do I this domain wallet balances? They might not even have a way to do that. I'm just asking and giving them ideas like, hey, how do I do this? We'll get back with you. They make it and come back. Yeah, this is how you do it. Walletgenerator.net is when I made these on February 13th, 2021. What is he gonna say? Come on, man, help me out. My Dogecoin is not adding. Okay, I'm just gonna take it out like this for now, so I can save my Bitcoin wallet and my ETH one. So access wallet. That's not what I want to use. Change the ETH wallet that I claimed domain with. What's the name of the domain? see or want to change the ETH address to this. So this is what it is, you know, it's a lot of troubleshooting, you know. It's not going to be smooth sailing initially when people don't know how to do things and everyone's still figuring out how to use stuff, but eventually I'd be real excited. Transfer domain using our transfer feature. So it basically, they need me to do something else to transfer my domain. So here's the thing, is it's now tied on the blockchain to that cold wallet that I have. But
I don't want that. You know nothing about my cold wallet.
So what's going to happen is I am going to change it.
Transfer domain.
So I got to go up to my domain and transfer it with the transfer button. Transfer domain, recipient address. You must have the private key in order to manage. You must have the private key in order to manage your domain. If you transfer the name to an exchange or any other custodial account where you do not control the private key, you will not be able to access it. I'm just gonna go like this. That's my new address. Okay, I understand that I am transferring ownership of this domain and this action is irreversible. Oh, so sad. I don't know if I trust this. Is this my ETH? This is my ETH one. So this is the wallet that I have nothing in. On my Ethereum app, the Mu app, clear records, but that's interesting. I understand that I'm transferring ownership of this domain. Yes, it's. And now they want access your Ethereum wallet Web3. I don't want to do that. I could use Mu where it was created. I want to do it on this computer though. See, this is the type of things that makes you stop. So right here, they're showing my cold wallet address.
I don't want my cold wallet private key out anywhere on anything anywhere. So when they're asking me to transfer my domain using this address,
I'm just about to say screw it and go back to this other domain that I bought and leave it. Whatever, memeblock.crypto, that's cool. This is why I made two of them. So at some point, I did have to put in that private key to get this connected to my cold wallet, but that was on a different computer that had the operating system wiped, was completely clean, and I knew that. So I'm working on a different computer right now that is like bought on eBay for $250, has not had a operating system reinstalled, and the antivirus is out of date. So I'm just gonna go back and be like, okay, that's fine. I'll just go back to my domains. And this works out because this is actually, it was a .com before, now it's just gonna be a .crypto. So I can claim it with ETH. But after I claim it, I believe that it is going to open up that space where I can have the different cryptos on there and the website section on there, and I'm going to be able to put a URL in there. So basically we're going to go through the claiming process, and I'm going to just tell this guy, like,
I am not interested in that feature. Because so he knows. Because you need to use the private key for that domain, for that wallet. So I will just claim my other addresses instead.
just so they know, you know, like as a customer, like why do you do what you do? Because that's really going to help their business, you know, just like help each other out a little bit if you can. So send the code by email. Send it by email. And enter the confirmation code. So now I'm going to have to go to my email. What was my confirmation code here?
Let me enter this and then I'll get back with you just in case there's some security thing about it.
So here's the fun part. I'm not able to do this right now and show you how to connect this domain to a website, but I can connect the domains to a wallet.